Yes guys, I just bought myself a cordless hoover, but not for me, for my wife. So I'm just gonna open it up and see what's in here. You see what's in the box as well. Let me get the box open. So we got hoover, but it's a cord, one of a cord. And the cord, you know how tedious the cord is when you're going up the stairs, you gotta plug it downstairs. They always forever call this. I'm like, oh, can you unplug that thing, that hoover for me, please? And you know, it's a nightmare. So we decided to get a cordless one. Plug it up in, and it runs for I think 15 or some 15 minutes. 25. About 25 minutes. It's a hoover. Boy, it looks nice. Looks nice. The bag is so big, can I get here? Look. Bag out the way. That's the main bit to it. See, got any power? Oh, look. Ooh, got power. You let it flash when you pull the button up. And it's a 22V up to 25 minutes hoovering. Allergy care and pet. Oh, we got one then. Look, there he is. Show him, look. Come here, boy, look. Look, here's our pet, our dog, Cooper. That's the main bit. Then there's a extendable tube. Looks like a rifle. Pull the sights on the top there, look. It's gone clear. A lot of packing. Proper good packing. Long reach as well on that box. Oh, come out in there. All the thing came out in the other plastic. That's another package from the another bit to extendable tube. Rip that apart. You see for the sun what coming out there. The thing. That's another look. Oh, black brush. It's like a shotgun, look.
Make pens.
What is that? I think it might be the charger. Yeah, look, charger. Charger goes in to the back of something here. Is it here? Oh look, goes in here, look. Shush. That's my naughty dog. He doesn't like hoovers. He barks at the hoover. And you know what's coming out the box? That's why he's barking already. Look that knife. Slip the end off. Coming out, what's that? That's another end for the hoover. Look, a little brush. There's more coming out the box. Look, that's the big main part for the floor, for the carpet and hard floor, whatever you got. And it's got a brush. Look, oh, it's got see-through as well. Look, oh, that's nice. It's nice, ain't it, girl? Yeah, look, oh, that's a roller. Look. Not bad. Put that on the side as well. Get that in a box a bit deep here. That's another like for in between cheers or whatever. Just be good for the car. Yeah, the car could do with a good clean, innit? Look. Look, that's another end. Now there's more. What's this? Oh, you know what this is, don't you?
Yeah.
This is a charging thing, it's plugged up, put on the wall, when you hook it up. That's how you hook up the, put it on the wall, and when you got it all assembled up, you can hang the hoover up that way. Put that another in. That's just another roller, another plenty of attachment for this thing. See another attachment here. Oh, it's nice. Don't know what else is what this is for. Another brush, rolling brush here. Don't know what that's for. Let's see what else is in here. No more goodies, right, guys? That's it. Yeah, let me see if we can quickly put it up. Put that lamp in on. Take the plug out. Don't need to be charged up right now. It's got a bit of power. Is that like that? Oh, it's upside down, isn't it? How does it go? Let me see. Yep. Oh, there's two ends to the.
That's right.
It's got two ends. Look. She's got like a female on this side and a male on this one. Male connector. See it here? See the male connectors here? My fingers. Put that one on here. That here, that click. He's gonna. My dog's gonna bark in a minute. Like I say, he doesn't like hoovers. He don't like them at all. Right. You put this end on and let you see. You gotta find somewhere to. See, just put it if he's barking already. Come on, boy. Shh. Shh. Look. Like that. Press the button. Look. Oh. When I squeeze the button, there's a green light, a blue light at the bottom. Feels nice. Feels nice. Come on, boy, that's it. Yeah, it's nice. Look, I'll put that away so you can start working all the time here. So, yes, that's the hoover. This is the hoover. 22 volt battery, lithium battery. Shh.
Stop. Stop. Cooper. Cooper.
Come on. I can't do a video with him. Shush. Come on. Let me say get. Let me say get. Let me say get. Go upstairs. Come on. Upstairs. Up. 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 Right up. Up. Stay. Right, that's him out of the way. Hope he don't come back. You stay there, boy. He doesn't like hoover. So this is, like I said, a hoover. Oh, what's that? Is that what it says?
He just got a hoover.
It's a hoover. It's, the brand is a hoover, but it's some model number. I don't know what the model number is. I can't remember what it's, FD something. I can't remember what it's called. But that's it. But, you know, it's not bad. It's got control. Oh. Instead of squeezing a button, you can you got a thing you can set it off. And then run on it, so you don't have to squeeze nothing in the trigger, pull the trigger. But yeah, it's not bad. It's nice. Looks good. So my wife be doing a lot of cleaning. So you should be holding. It's not me. I should be holding the camera. But this is your baby. Here we go. It looks nice. Yeah. Don't forget, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and share, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.